Welcome to Deroko Technology Company. I'm Mavis Nyakon, Deroko Technology Official. Today, our inventor, the precious one, will address the oil, vehicle, and other machine companies on a powerful device called the electronic exhaust and other toxic gases globally. Thank you.
Welcome to Deroko Technology across the world. That is Roxanne Kojo Debra, the senior engineer, the inventor of our era of this end time. Today, we need to talk about how Deroko is going to solve all smoke problems across the world by two machines. How can that be possible? It will. That is why I said things that seems impossible will be possible in the era of Deroko technology. I am here to change the world. I'm here to make the impossibilities become possible. Nothing is greater than the power of God. That is why I said that the world that has been polluted are moving from the pollution to radiation to kill us all and destroy everything on earth. We need to talk about it. Today, that you see me on your screen, I tell you today that we have a complete solution to smoke worldwide. And with my inventions, the world will never see smoke on earth again. Smoke are now bound in this world, and it will surprise the whole world. All car manufacturing companies must stand and rejoice. All fuel refineries must stand and rejoice, because your solution, the answers you were perceiving, has come true. How can that be possible? People will ask themselves, it cannot be possible. It cannot be possible. Today, I stand before you today to tell you that it is possible. Your Excellencies, President of Republic Democratic Nation, Ministers of Government, and Ministers of neighboring countries, representative of international bodies, CEOs of oil and petroleum companies, Honorable Amin H. Nassar, the President and CEO of Aramco, the world leading integrated energy chemical enterprise and largest provider of crude oil to global market. May I take this opportunity to pay tribute to all fuel companies in the world for having so generously devoted your time to ensuring that the production of fuel, I'm talking of oil, diesel, petroleum, etc., will be quality and sufficient in the world market. A special word of thanks and deep gratitude goes to all of you, oil and petroleum companies. We have we have the means and the capacity to deal with earthly problems in only if we can find the one true creature. I'm talking of God. We need to keep hope alive in our lives and strive to do what is called better. I can sense that today your dream of better future shall come to pass, and it will be far better than this one, because there will not be any threat and fear of climate change caused by carbon dioxide gas from cars, airplanes, ships, trains, oil-based smoke generators, the rocket, and many more. We cannot wait for the Creator to do it all. Globalization operates on internet time. The universal presence tend to function faster in the realm of the spirit, but slowly to our wish, because they exist to build natural support for every step. We as humans have a major role to play in solving our own problem caused by us. How do we expect somebody who didn't take part in causing our own problem to solve it for us? Please, respected fellow women, it appears to make no sense for expecting God, who didn't take part in causing our problem, to solve for us. We can begin by solving our problems from where we started. We can earn it from the problem source. Doing this is one of the major steps, not at all, because of the damages we have caused. All of this needed to be fixed for the moment, and that is the future. Fixing certain things requires special device, high-ranking inventions, and supernatural technology. The truth is everywhere, at every corner, that smoke plays a major role in these climate change issues on the planet. There is also a special design mechanism to enable to set the earth free from smoke on the planet. In other words, there is always answer to difficult questions, especially those ones related or found among humans. Smoke is killing us slowly, of which we do not give much attention to that. I think this is the right time that the whole world need to come together as one people to do something more powerful, deeply natural, to sabotage the existence of all smoke that comes out of vehicles, ships, airplane, rocket, etc. Some analytic questions people may ask are: how do we deal with smoke? How do we eliminate smoke on this planet? Is this possible? What technology can be used for this phenomenon? There is no development strategy more beneficial to a society as a whole invention and inventor than the one which involves racism and corrupt government as a central player. Leaders of the world, the Bishop of Rome, Pope Francis, UN, etc. A very big priest, we need to think of this. Our future the earth we are going to leave to our descendants. The very legacy. Somewhere in this world, there is an answer to every question on earth. Even there is a cure for death, just that we do not have the eye to see into deep things, so as it is possible to eliminate all smoke on this planet. Someone may ask, who is that Messiah? God sent inventor to lead the whole world into this future. Today, I see the dynamic inventor in the eyes of the people in the world. And that is all me, Deroko. Deroko Technology Company, a company which works is to invent the technology only for investors or another company who can afford to do the mass production for the benefit of the planet. Deroko being the CEO, have specially invented a device, a machine, which main function is to act of destruction, in which all smoke is absolutely damaged or eliminated. I can assure the high-ranking authorities of the world, the Bishop of Rome, Pope Francis II, Your Royal Highnesses, Prince and Queens, all nation leaders, World Organization bodies, United Nations, G8, G20, BRICS, etc., that the above mentioned dignities representing our world, religion, powers, continent, union, organization, countries, Deroko with much confidence. I strongly promise to make this come to pass with the power of the God of creation. All smoke across border from trains, airplanes, cars, heavy duty machines, ships, every smoke appearing in every corner of this earth will drastically be eliminated. My attack, aggressiveness, and capabilities is all against smoke in the fold. Smoke from the above mentioned department is very dangerous to human health, the environment, and the atmosphere. We should not encourage smoke that comes out of these machines. With assurance on smoke in this contest, I am saying it again and again that smoke will go far from here. To our victory on smoke, I hereby rise this light of hope, a representational figure of Deroko, that the light of freedom has come to shine into the world, the whole world, to the conquering effect over smoke, that the whole world will be saved.